Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to view NFTs in a Phantom wallet. Viewing NFTs in Phantom wallet is usually very simple, but only if your wallet actually contains NFTs. Unlike tokens like SOL or ETH, NFTs do not appear unless you own or have received them. This is why many beginners feel confused when they open the app and don't see any NFT section or the images and think of a Phantom like a digital gallery. So when you do not have NFTs, Phantom shows them in a visual gallery format. First, you need to open to your Phantom wallet, and you can simply open it with your Face ID or your password as well. And after that, what you can do is you can simply go to this swap icon and you'll get into this interface here, and under this token you can scroll a bit down, and if you do not see any NFTs, unless you have, then NFTs only appear if someone sent you an NFT, you bought one from the marketplace, you minted or created one yourself. If none of this happened, your NFT section will be empty over here. But if you have NFTs, you can simply find it under this section as well. And that is it. Viewing NFTs in Phantom wallet is easy, but only once you actually have NFTs. If your wallet is empty, nothing will show, which is completely normal. Once you receive or buy an NFT, it will automatically appear. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.